These are glass bottom boats.
Right.
Both of these are. And you watch in the middle. How come they're not watching in the middle then? They look out the
Some
side.
of them. Is that's up you mean here, you mean, right?
Huh?
Right here, right?
I don't know. I don't remember. I know it was up here somewhere. The horse took me by it.
We stop. Should we stop here first?
Yeah, just quickly. I just want to ask and then we can go.
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Bye.
Look how clear it is here.
Sometimes you can see trouble around here.
Nice and clear here. Patty, yeah. So that's the dive shop. I know that.
Steps of the body with SS.
Can this guy actually catch fish there?
Little fish.
Little fish, yeah.
Line fish.
Yeah. Okay. Look at how clear it is here. How long would it take me to ride my bike to here? 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
At
Less,
least.
probably.
Yeah?
You go through.
I'll come here later.